The science of genetics, how DNA shapes who we are and what we can become. Professor Anderson, good afternoon, students. Today, we delve into the captivating world of genetics. Our topic, the science of genetics, how DNA shapes who we are and what we can become. Let's embark on this enlightening journey. Scene 1, the structure of DNA. Professor Anderson, DNA, the molecule that carries our genetic blueprint, takes the form of a double helix composed of nucleotides. The order of these bases determines our unique traits. 2 genes and alleles. Professor Anderson, genes are specific segments of DNA that code for particular traits. Alleles are variants of a gene that can result in different expressions of the trait. 1 Mendelian genetics. Professor Anderson, Breaker Mendel's work with pea plants revealed the principles of dominant and recessive traits and how they pass from one generation to the next. 2 Punnett squares and probability. Professor Anderson, Punnett squares help us predict the likelihood of offspring inheriting specific traits by understanding probability. Scene 1, nature versus nurture debate. Professor Anderson, epigenetics explores how environmental factors influence gene expression, shaping our understanding of human development. 2 Epigenetic markers. Professor Anderson, epigenetic markers attach to DNA, turning genes on or off in response to environmental cues, potentially affecting our health and behavior. Genetic disorders. Professor Anderson, genetic mutations can result in disorders. Genetic testing and counseling help identify the risk of passing these conditions to future generations. 2 Personalized medicine. Professor Anderson, genetics plays a pivotal role in personalized medicine, tailoring treatments and medications based on an individual's genetic makeup. Scene 1, genetic engineering. Professor Anderson, CRISPR-Cas9 technology allows scientists to edit genes with unprecedented precision, holding tremendous potential to cure genetic diseases. Scene 2, human potential and ethical considerations. Professor Anderson, as we uncover more about genetics, ethical considerations must guide our decisions to ensure responsible use of this knowledge. Professor Anderson, the science of genetics continues to unravel the mysteries of who we are and what we can become.